So here's a video of my 1969 Buick Special Deluxe. It's been sitting for more than a year now. It never ran in 2022. I had a bunch of other projects going on and gas prices were really bad. So it sat back here up on these wheels and tires for all of 22. As you can see, being New York, the car sits all winter. It's in really nice shape. It is a 430 big block, Buick big block with a turbo 400 and a Ford 9-inch. Drives really nice. It's got a big cam, sounds really good. So since it's been sitting so long, I'm going to check all the fluids and then crank it over until it makes some oil pressure. It has an electric fuel pump, so I can just shut that off and crank the engine until it gets the oil moving. So go ahead and get it dropped down off the wheels. Here's a look in the engine bay. It's pretty dusty and dirty from sitting, but all the fluids were full. Got a fresh battery in there. It's been charging down in the basement, so it should fire right up. I did fog the engine before parking it, so it's probably gonna smoke a good bit once it starts, but that's pretty normal. Let's go ahead and fire it up. There we go. Let the starter cool down for a couple minutes. Give it some fuel and it should fire right up. of rough. It's running super rich, maybe? I don't know. Let's check that out for sure. Well, I think I figured out the issue. I took the air filter off, and I forgot that I mechanically closed the choke all the way. So that was running full choke, and with how warm it is, the car really doesn't need any choke. So it was probably running super rich and just choking itself out. So let's see how it starts now. Much better.